Blessed love to the family. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few dreams that I have noted and that I have interpreted over the years. Yes, family. In this one, I'm not going to be referring to dreams as in having an aspiration, as in having a goal or a mindset as to what it is that you want to achieve in your life. I'm referring to dreams in the sense that you go to your bed and you close your eyes and you see something or you envision something or something comes into your into your preconceived, into your subconscious mind. That is what I'm going to be talking to you about this morning. So I went to bed last night and I had a dream. And I've been a dreamer, family, and I must share this with you. I've always been a person who dreams. I do not dream every single night that I go to bed. But whenever I dream, let me tell you something. You better know that, hey, something is on the horizon. Something is about to happen. And I tend to share this whenever I wake up from my dreams. I tend to often roll over and say to my husband, you know what? I had this dream. Or sometimes a dream would wake me up and I'd say, oh, babe, you know what? I had this dream. And he'd say, Empress, what happened? And I'll tell him, it depends on how it is and how this dream comes across in your subconscious mind. But sometimes it is one of those that really brings fright. Another time it will bring tears, and in that moment you're not quite sure as to whether it's tears of joy or whether it's tears of sadness. But I can tell you this, for me personally, within a few days or sometimes within a few hours, my dream usually come to fruition. And I'm going to share this one with you, family, because coming up to the death of my father, and this is something that I have marked in my life. Whenever it is that someone in my family or someone close to me is going to pass or it's going to cross over, I go to my bed and I get that dream. It's either I'm going to dream that we're having a party, a merrymaking, or everybody's going to be gathered in white dresses or white gowns or white robes. But whenever I get a dream and I see everybody all in white, or if all my teeth in my head starts to splinter in my mouth like rice grain, I can tell you this now, go and buy your funeral frock. Go buy your funeral frock. If Empress Yudah goes to bed and she wakes up and she tells you that, look here, man, all of my teeth in my head turned splinter last night. Or I was crossing over a train line, a train track, a rail track, and I saw people all dressed in white. Or there was a big party in my dream last night and we were all gathered and we were cooking and everybody was sharing up food. Let me tell you something. Somebody to whom I'm close to or somebody to whom I'm related is gonna take their exit out of this life. And family, this video is not to drive fear, because I mean, these are some of the things that we have to face up to. You know, we have to face the realities of life, and death is a reality. And I've been inspired to talk about this morning. And I just feel, it is good. As I get my inspiration for my videos, I hearken to that voice and I move forward. I do not delay. For every single video that I put out on my channel, I wait for direction to do them. I do not follow trending topics, or I do not follow what is popping in the media. If something is happening in the media and I feel that, you know what, this is good and I need to talk about it, then I will try and I will start creating a video. However, sometimes in the middle of that video or even sometimes close to the end of that video, something tells me that it is not what is to be shared, or something holds me back. And that's how I know that this channel that I have created has been created not by me, but under strict direction and under strict guidance. And I'm walking in that purpose, family. I'm delivering the message from the Most High in the way that He's ordered me to do this. I will not take any praise for this channel and for the work that I'm putting in, but I will give all praises to the Most High Creator, who is directing my steps as it comes on to bringing the message forward to the people who are hungry for this information. With that being said, family, I want you to share with me some of your dreams, some of the things that you've marked in your life that once you dream that, you can tell anybody said this is what is going to happen. So I've shared a few of my dreams with you. Whenever I dream that I'm wearing, all white, or people are gathered in all white, I can tell you now, it's funeral. If my teeth start to fall out of my head and turn splinter, remember, it's a funeral and it's guaranteed. And not to mention, in the consciousness of life, if I get up and I put full black on, black is a color that I tend to wear mainly in the winter time. But if I get up and I put black on, I can tell you this now. I am mourning for someone, or someone is on their exit. With that being said, family, I want you to continue to interact with my channel. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what it is that when you dream that, that means that, and you have marked that in your life. Like I said before, I am old enough to have observed many things throughout my life. So I'm perfectly capable to share or to impart this knowledge or these experiences with you. I want you now, because I know the demographics on my channel, it varies in terms of age and in terms of wisdom and in terms of life experiences. So I would like you now to come into my comment section and let me know what it is that when you dream that, that means so, or you have interpreted that it means so in your life. I look forward to hearing from you, family. Now, you have an upful day. I leave you, like always, with love, light, and upful energies. I'm out now. Real Empress Yudah. Blessed love.
Redemption. 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 Holy fire, holy fire, fight down. Enemy want to make your right wrong.